Welcome students. In this class we are going to learn about Unit 2 Force and Motion. Distance and displacement. What is distance? See the picture. Assume this is Kavita's house and this is her school. Kavita can reach her school in two ways, that is road A this way and road B. So the distance of 2 km is road B, distance of 1.5 km is road A. So two ways are there to reach the school. By choosing which path she could reach the school early, road A or road B. So here the shortest distance is road A. So that is 1.5 km. So this is the shortest distance to reach the school from Kavita's house. So next example is, consider Uma and Priya are friends studying in the same school. After school hours, they go to the nearby playground, play games and return back home. One day, Uma told that she would reach the playground after visiting her grandmother's house. The path in which they took reached the playground is shown here. So, from school to playground, then from this house to playground. So here this path A is the shortest distance. So from the above examples, we could conclude that when an object travels from one place to another, so one place to another, from one place to another place, it will reach faster if it travels along the straight line. The straight line path is the shortest distance between 2 points. So what is distance? The total length of a path taken by an object to reach one place from the other is called distance. So what is distance? The total length of a path. See, so this is the total length. So it is a distance. So what is distance? The total length of a path taken by an object to reach one place from the other is called distance. Then what is displacement? The shortest distance from the initial to the final position of an object. So in this picture, this is the shortest distance. Okay, this is the total length of a path. So this is distance, this is displacement. Shortest distance is known as displacement. So here this is distance, then this is the shortest distance. So this is displacement. Road A is displacement. So next, both the distance and displacement possess the same unit, that is the SI unit is meter, because both are distance. So both possess the same unit, that is meter, small m. So next, see the picture. The path of an object traveling from A to B. So here the path is given. The path of an object traveling from A to B. Total distance travelled by the object is 120 meter. The displacement of the object is, so here this is the shortest distance. So this is the displacement for this example, so the shortest distance is 40 meter. So displacement of the object from A to B is 40 meter. Okay, so distance, the total distance is 120 meter, but the shortest distance is 40 meter from the object travel from A to B. So displacement of this object is 40 meter. When we represent the displacement, we use a positive or negative sign depending on the direction with which it travels. So see the picture. Here we can consider the starting point as A, and while the object moves from A to B, the displacement is considered to be positive. And from B to A, it is negative. So we represent the displacement, we use a positive or negative sign. So these signs depending on the direction with which it travels. So here from A to B positive, from B to A negative. Okay. So next, more to know. Nautical mile. Nautical mile is a unit for measuring the distance in the field of aviation and sea transportation. So this is the unit for measuring the distance in the field of aviation and sea transportation. 1 nautical mile is 1.852 kilometer. Then another unit is the unit for measuring the speed of aeroplanes and ships is knot. Speed, so measuring speed. Okay, so this is knot. So this unit is used to measure the distance. This unit knot is used to measure their speed, aeroplane, speed of aeroplane and speed of ship. So 1 knot is the speed taken to travel 1 nautical mile in 1 hour. So what is 1 knot? 1 knot is the speed taken to travel 1 nautical mile. So we know that what is 1 nautical mile? 1.852 kilometer. So what is 1 knot? The speed taken to travel 1.852 kilometer in 1 hour. So that is called 1 knot. So 1 knot is the unit for measuring the speed of aeroplanes and ships. So students, hope you all understood about the distance and displacement. So let us summarize. The total length of a path taken by an object to reach one place from the other is called distance. So total length is distance. Then shortest distance is displacement. So the shortest distance from the initial to the final position. Then both have the same unit, that is meter, small m. Then we represent the displacement by using positive and negative sign. So depends on the direction. So from A to B we use positive sign. From B to A we use negative sign. Thank you.